Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the second part of this lesson, lesson number 11. In this lesson, we'll continue doing the exercises. And lastly, we did exercise number D, but we didn't finish it. So now in this part, we will read the text again and we will do the tasks required. Number D, read the second part of the text about Linus, then answer the questions. Number 1, complete the classification groups in column number A. Complete column B with the classification of the date palm. And then number 3, what is the Latin name of the common date palm? So first of all, we want to read, then we can fill in the spaces or fill in the columns A and B. The next largest group in Linus classification is called the order. The monocotyledon, known commonly as the date palm, belongs to the order Palmae. The next group is the family. In the case of the date palm, there is only one family in the order Palmae. It's also called Palmae. Finally, there are the groups genus and species. The smallest group is therefore the species. Organisms of this group are very alike and can breed together. Organisms in the next smallest group, the genus, have many similarities, but members of its different subgroups, species, are not able to breed together. The date palm belongs to the genus Phoenix and the species Dactylifera. Linus also devised a system. Linus also devised a system for naming organisms. All species are given two names in Latin. This is called the binominal system of naming. The first name is the genus to which the organism belongs, and the second name is the species to which the organism belongs. Now, after reading it again, let's do the tasks. Number 1, complete the classification groups in column number A. Here we have the classification. First of all, we have the kingdom. Under it we have phylum, then class, order, family, genus, and species. Here we can see column number A in the table. And as you all note that answers go from larger to smaller, so the largest is kingdom and the smallest is the species. Complete column number B with the classification of the date palm. Kingdom plant, phylum Angiosperm, class Monocotyledon, order Palmae, family also the same name Palmae, genus Phoenix, species Dactylifera. Now number 3, what's the Latin name of the common date palm? The Latin name of the common date palm is Phoenix Dactylifera. The Latin name of an organism consists of two parts. The first part is for the genus and the second part is for the species. Now let's move to the second book, I mean the workbook. In our workbook, I mean on page number 37, we have practice number A. Look at the picture of the date palm or a date palm, then complete the text with the words in the books. Fruit, flowers, leaves, trunk, cluster, and clusters. Date palm. The common date palm, Phoenix dactylifera, is found in North Africa, Southwest Asia, and India. The trunk, the first space is trunk. The trunk of the tree is straight and rough and grows to a height of 18 meters. At the top is a head of waxy green leaves. So, at the top is a head of waxy green leaves about 3 meters long. In about its 8th year, the female tree begins to bear fruit. The female tree begins to bear fruit. The dates grow in clusters. The dates grow in clusters of 200 to 1000 dates. Each cluster weighs up to 12 kilograms, and in 1 year, one tree may produce up to 270 kilograms of fruit. Since earliest times, fertilization has been helped by man. Male flowers are cut and suspended among the flowers of the female tree. A date palm reaches maturity in its 30 years or 30th year and begins to decline at about 100 years old. Now, after doing or filling in the spaces with these words, you can see the answers, my students, and you can write them in your books. Now let's move to practice number B. Practice number B says rewrite the sentence pairs to make one sentence using ing. Here we have to merge the two sentences and make them just one sentence. Number 1. The family palmi contains 2,600 species. This makes it the 4th largest order among the monocotyledons. We can merge the first and the second sentence by putting the ing form. The family Palmi contains 2,600 species, making it the 4th largest order among the monocotyledons. Number 2. The date palm is very common. It grows in North Africa, Southwest Asia, and India. We can say it as follows. The date palm is very common, growing in North Africa, Southwest Asia, and India. Number 3. The tree produces clusters of dates. They weigh up to 12 kilograms. The tree produces clusters of dates weighing up to 12 kilograms. Number 4. The tree begins to bear fruit after 8 years. It reaches maturity after 30 years. The tree begins to bear fruit after 8 years, reaching maturity after 30 years. And the last sentence, number 5. Date palm trees are productive for many years. They decline after about 100 years. We can merge the two sentences by putting declining. Date palm trees are productive for many years, declining after about 100 years. Here are the answers in front of you, my students. You can write them down in your books, and by doing exercise number A and B on our workbook or our workbooks, page number 37, we can conclude and close this lesson. So study it so hard, please, and finally, goodbye.